Happy Tuesday, everyone. We just took a shower, and he fell asleep in the shower with me, holding him. So we had to cut our shower a tad bit short. Let's see, this window always makes it so hard. Okay, there we go. So anyway, he fell asleep in my arms in the shower, so we had to cut our shower short, and so then I just came out here with him. I've got my robe on. I was able to get that on. Somehow finagled it on. But oh no, is that right? So I'm going to try and get him dressed now and get myself dressed. And we'll see you guys in a bit. Bethio! Look at that hair. Let me try to get it for you guys so you can see it. Look at how it's so messy. I love when you have that messy Albert Einstein look. You think it's funny too. Oh yeah, let me see. He won't let me do it. Here's what's going on for lunch today. I have a wrap with some bacon, some meat, and lettuce, and some grapes and oranges. And these oranges suck. They taste disgusting. I got them at Hannaford. I almost want to take them back because, oh man. Sorry about that. Xander spilt his squeeze pouch, so I had to clean that up. But anyway, like I said, these oranges are organic oranges, and they suck. The end you can see. Let's see here. The end is all, I don't know. It's not rotten, but it's all like. You can't really tell, but the end, just the part where the end gets kind of hard of an orange. You know what I'm talking about if you eat oranges. Just pathetic. And then this lettuce is all waxy and disgusting. So I'm just hoping that my lettuce comes up. I planted it yesterday, so I'm hoping that comes. And then I gave Xander his little squeeze pouch for lunch, and then I've got some grapes for us to split. And that's why I bugged out, was because he spilled his pouch, and I have to put him in his car or else he'll make a big mess. And those are expensive. Those are $2 a piece. So, sorry, I don't want you spilling it. But that's just my little rant. What are you having for lunch? Let me know. The floor creaked and you caught me. Good job. Wow, wee. Strong boy. Whoops, wrong way. Hey, Xander, I don't want you up in there. Get out of there. Good boy. Good boy. We're all packed up for tomorrow. I've got his clothes all picked out. I've got mine drying. Oh, jeez. And, yes. I should probably pick this house up a little bit. But, hey, what I don't get done today, I can do some other time. Who are you talking to? You are so silly. Where are you going? So we really did not enjoy this appetizer, as you can see. I forgot to you saving some for later? Oh yeah. I hope that you guys can hear him. What was that? sounds very concerned right now.
We're gonna go return something and then we're going to London.
Aww. Such a happy, happy boy. It's almost time to change that diaper. Oops, I don't even know if I got it. Darn it. Okay, I'm going to try to clean up your 2 diapers that are stinking up my house. Ooh! Somebody is being so good in the sink tonight because I need to cut up some stuff for dinner. This is what we're having. Some, let's see here. I don't even think you'll be able to see it. It's just teriyaki beef and some carrots. And I should probably do some sort of quinoa or something. But I'm good with just the meat and the carrots. It's just, aww, there are his jowls. I haven't seen them for so long. Careful, that's hot, hot, hot. This side's hot. Ouch. Sweet boy. Oh, baby, I brought that out so I could straighten my hair. Jeez. Oh. Where are you? Okay. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye, Xander. Bye. I was fixing some lemons, and he wanted one.